And what is the best idea after a full night of camping? A fucking polar plunge in the most cold looking water ever. It is just ice soup out here. Thanks for that visual nightmare. How can I be offered a polar plunge in fucking Antarctica and not do it? I couldn't look you in the eye. I couldn't do it. I guess it's time for me to go get ready. I'm looking forward to saying I did it, not the actual action. Fuck. People are coming up here sipping on coffee like nothing happened. Jesus Christ, these people are animals. I have ditched the road.
For me, this is far more than just a backyard ice bath. A polar plunge in the vast waters of Antarctica is a leap of faith, a leap into the future and the unknown. And without these leaps, we can never grow.
Woo! Y'all are crazy!
Woo! Fuck yeah! Never again. Well, maybe. Meeting us with hot chocolate and Baileys, baby. It's like Sunday morning. It's so surprising how not freezing I am right now. I think that might be hypothermia. I really feel nothing right now, which is also not abnormal. I am just void of feelings. Polar plunge, baby.